Right, if you've got a beautiful car like this Volvo XC40 and you've got a little bit of a problem, and in this case the cat that was being carried in this car had a little accident, it weed on the seat. Rather than try and tackle this yourself, rather than go on to Google and look at all the advice all these experts or so-called experts are giving, forget all that, because most of it's utter nonsense. Okay, you've got more chance of ruining your fabric than you have actually solving the problem. All right, so forget that. This customer called us. She visited www.prosteamuk.com, and after reading through the section all about removing odours and spillages, she decided to give us a call. So she delivered the car to me today. I'm now going to get on and thoroughly clean the seat and flush all this out. And we use a specific product that will deal with neutralising the urine that was passed into the seat. Okay, and once we've done all that, that seat will look brand new again. We'll come back to it in a bit. Well, that job has taken just under 2 hours to do, and I've extended the seatbelt out so it can dry, because as a precaution the seatbelt gets cleaned as well, cleaned and disinfected. All right, so I'll just move it out of the way so you can see how that fabric is looking. So there's no signs of any staining anymore. There's no smell of urine. That's all been extracted from the seat. All right. So there you have it. It's touch dry. It's going to take a couple of hours probably to fully dry out. Okay, and we always say to our customers to leave a window open to allow plenty of ventilation. Okay then, so there you have it, folks. So you have the same problem in your car, don't try and tackle it yourself. Call a professional that knows exactly what they're doing, so you're not wasting your money.